She lived deep in the forest in a tiny cottage. The little girls in the village began to disappear, one by one. Sean, shut up! No one could find out where they had gone. Grief-stricken families searched the woods, the local buildings, and all the houses and barns. A few brave souls even went to Bloody Mary's home in the woods to see if the witch had taken the girls, but she denied any knowledge of the disappearances. Still, it was noted that her haggard appearance had changed. She looked younger and more attractive.
Oh my.
Oh my. The neighbors
Oh look, it's Chica's butt!
holding a magic wand that was pointed towards
Abracadabra!
She was glowing an unearthly light as she set her evil spell upon the miller's daughter. The townsmen grabbed their guns and their pitchforks and ran towards the witch. When she heard the commotion, Bloody Mary broke off her spell and fled back into the woods. The farmer had loaded his gun with silver bullets in case the witch... Now, he took aim... Bloody Mary in the hip and she fell to the ground. The angry townsmen leapt upon her and carried her back into the field. They built a huge bonfire and burned her at the stake. As she burned, Bloody Mary screamed a curse at the evil villagers. If anyone mentioned her name aloud before a mirror, she would send her spirit to revenge herself upon them for a terrible death. When she was dead, stop it! The villagers went to her house into the wood and found the unmarked graves of the unmarked graves of the
oh my god.
evil witch had
oh my god. Oh god. Something's wrong! Something's wrong, guys! Oh, earthquake! Earthquake! God, we're back. Oh, we're back.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're back.
So what are we gonna do?
Oh, what was that? That was an earthquake?
Yeah.
OMG, look at the mirror.
What? How do you feel about this? I know. Oh,
She's
so
come
scary.
back! Bloody Mary has come back!
Are you ready? Here's the real horror story. What is it, like turn around 5 times? Like
No!
what? Bloody Mary! 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 And that was a real horror story, guys!
Okay.
Empty without me, and I really feel. Let me be me, so let me see. They try to show me out on the TV, but it feels so empty without me. So, my name is. Fuck you, Debbie. Hi.
Let's get out of here. Yeah. Oh god. That is definitely
Wait,